Alright, now it's time for our animation. So after body, let's write here at keyframes. One that we will use is progress. At 0% its width will be 0 and at 100% its width will be 80%, because we have provided here 80%. If we provide here 70%, then it will proceed till 70%. You can write it 70%. Okay. And we are going to provide one more keyframes, and that will be glow. Now here is a trick that we are going to see. So we will give from something to something. Okay. So here we will provide box shadow. From top 0, from left 0, blur it around 10 pixel, and what will be its color? Okay, see here. Here we have given this color, right? In Visual Studio Code, if you hover over this color, let's click on it. Now let's come here. Here you will see this is the hex code, right? If you click on it once more, you will see the color modes are changing. We want RGB. This is the one. We want some transparency. So that's why we will use RGBA. Alright. So it's 255, 140 and 0. So we will provide RGBA. 255, 140, 0 and transparency will be 80%, 0.8. And we will provide one more, which is again 0, 0, 10 pixel, and what will be its color? RGBA. For this one, let's click on it. Let's take a look. It's 215, 255, 69 and 0. So 255, 69, 0 and transparency again 0.8. That's it. Okay. So this is going to be from, and we will have to. For the box shadow, what we will do, we are going to keep the same color, but we will blur it 20 pixel. Okay. Now let's hit save. And now for this progress bar, yes, width we are going to provide 0. Okay. And let's come here and let's provide animation, progress, 2 second. Let's make it ease in, out, and it will move only forward. So let's make it forwards. And then we are going to have one more, that is glow, and duration, let's make it 2 second. Let's make it linear, and it's going to be alternate. And also let's make it infinite times. Let's hit save, and now let's open in browser. See, how is this looking? Well, let's make it 3 second. It will look awesome. And this glow, let's make it 1.5. And let's do one thing. Let's remove this linear. Let's make it by default. Let's take a look. Yeah. So how is this looking? Well, that's it, guys. So let me know how you have liked it. Again, let's hit refresh. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you in our next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.